everybody, welcome back to another episode of Restored by Nate. If you're new here, I'm Nate. In today's episode we're going to be working on this 1968 International. Going to be replacing the floor and stuff like that, so stick with us and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so earlier on today, which I didn't film with the camera, we got this piece here welded in to this. What we've done now is we've set it up in the International truck. We've put the bolts up the top there. We're just marking out where to cut. Got a bit of a gap here and a bit of a height difference. That's because this floor needs to come up. You can just see the gap there, and this one needs to go down a bit. There's a bit of flex in it, but we'll finish marking it out and get it welded in and see what we come up with. Alright, so we got all the floor set in place. Around here's all cut out. All good. This will need to come up, of course, around the other side. Over this side, once we work it over there, we're starting to weld, we'll have to flop this over. Try and push that over the top like that. Cut that white line there and that white line. And then there's a few gaps, but other than that, it should be pretty good. So let's get on to welding. Alright, so I filmed a bit on camera, but most of it off camera because the lighting wasn't good. A lot of shadow, a lot of sun, you couldn't really see anything. So we have gotten the floor pretty much tacked in. You can see a few along here. We've got those bits in, and around the other side we've got like a few good ones here, a few up here. So that's about it. We're going to do probably a little bit more work, tacking it in, and then we'll call it for the night and come back another day. Alright, so you just saw us do a bunch of welding. So I haven't finished, got a few bits here and there, didn't film everything. Got the welds under this, it's actually bolted down. I'll try and show you underneath. There you go. So got all that done. That will probably do it for this episode. We got a few bits of tidying up. Let me know if you want to see another episode on this, but other than that, that's all we're doing. And alright everybody, it's a few days later here. Weeks later actually. Currently I am filming the video on the Beetle. I just went to the VW show, which was that YouTube short you just saw. So I have been working on this for a while. That last clip you saw was a while back actually. But I've realised I forgot to film an outro, and I want to get this happening because I've got something happening on the Type 3 soon. Anyway, that'll do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if you want to see another video on the International, or you just don't care, whatever. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.